So, everyone knows you as a helmet manufacturer, retailer, and dealer. But what inspired you to start your YouTube channel?
This thing starts before my business. I remember when I was small, I used to play inside our helmet factory. At that time, when every kid used to talk about toys and stuff, I used to talk about helmet safety standardizations and stuff. Slowly back then, I realized it was just fun. But later on, I have realized something very scary, and that is we riders doesn't know and doesn't care about our helmet safety, and which is the most integral part of our riding journey. What's up, people? This is Amritansh, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So basically, I come from a family which controls almost all the supply chain of the riding gears, from manufacturing to wholesale to distribution to multiple retail stores. But my real motivation to start this YouTube channel comes from a simple question, which is asked by all of my sales team and also by fellow riders, that which riding gear we should actually buy, which is actually safe, and which is just a marketing gimmick. So I'm starting this YouTube channel to share all the insider knowledge and the truth behind all the safety gears. And here is the truth. Buying gear isn't about what to buy, it's actually more about what not to buy. For suppose you have bought an aerodynamic helmet, but your head structure is round in shape. The difference between helmet foam and your occipital pressure point may cause you future problems. In the shorter term, it will cause you headache, but in the longer term, when an accident will take place, at that time the difference will cause you a severe impact or severe damage. And that type of helmet should be avoided. But this expertise can only be shared and can only be experienced. So basically guys, आपको इस चैनल के ऊपर राइडिंग से रिलेटेड सब कुछ मिलेगा। कैसे आप अपनी राइडिंग की जर्नी स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, कैसे आप एक नॉर्मल बाइकर से एक प्रोफेशनल बाइकर बन सकते हो, कैसे आप उसी पैशन को अपने एक पाइपलाइन इनकम में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो, कैसे आप छोटी मोटी स्पॉन्सरशिप्स अक्वायर कर सकते हो, स्पॉन्सरशिप्स के मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट क्या होता है जब आप अपनी राइडिंग की जर्नी स्टार्ट करोगे, कैसे आपको बेसिक हेलमेट खरीदने हैं, क्या राइडिंग जैकेट लेना है, क्या राइडिंग पैंट लेना है, और इन सबको लेते हुए आपको क्या क्या चीजें ध्यान में रखनी है। ये सब करते करते आपको थोड़े बहुत अपने पैसे बचाना है। वो कैसे आप अपने पैसे बचाओगे ये भी मैं आपको बताऊंगा, और उस पैसों को आप कैसे अपनी बाइक मेंटेनेंस के अंदर, अपनी ट्रिप मेंटेनेंस में या फिर अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड मेंटेनेंस में कहीं पे भी स्पेंड कर सकते हो। That's it. Thank you so much. Do let me know in the comments or in the DMs कि किन चीजों के ऊपर मुझे और वीडियो बनाना है, and we'll see you guys soon. Till then, ride safe, ride hard. Thank you.
Guys! This is Aman Jaipur. I'm the man behind the camera. Okay? There's another guy, that is Himanshu Bhaiya. He'll be the video editor. Till then, I want you to subscribe to our channel and do follow us on Instagram. That is Amritansh with an X. Okay? And wait for another video. Till then, tata, bye bye, signing off.